Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to add a workspace in Slack account. So to do so, you need to have a Slack account, and there is the app of Slack account. For now, I'm using the web browser. So you can see there's a workspace here. So if you can see that there is a add a workspace. If you click here, you can see the option, the sign into the workspace, find a workspace, or create a new workspace. So if I sign into another workspace, you can see there are the workspace I've already created. If you click it, and you can see that it's launching. And if I go here into the web browser of Slack, you can see the workspace has created. As you can see, there are the workspace added. So if I want to go to the workspace that I was in, I can easily go and switch there. So if you want to create a new workspace, that is also easy. You just give your email ID and just continue doing, and there will be a code in your email ID. Just go there and you can see that code. Just copy the code and paste it here. Okay, something I know. Yeah, it worked. You see, if you give your company name some, you can upload your picture here. You can give anything in bio or skip this step. Okay, and then you can give any of the channels you want to give. And if you want to buy the premium, you can buy the premium, and there is a free option. You can also use the free option. So see, there is another workspace we have created right now. So you can see we have all three of the workspace, and any of the workspace we can go in, we can easily use the channels, and we can work. So if this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to like this video, and of course subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.